Craft your own floating boat. You can make mini boats to float or race with recycled water bottles as shown. All you need is 2 water bottles, wood pieces, glue, battery cell, a motor, blades, and that's it. DIY toy boats to race in the creek, pool, bathtub, or water. Here is a really simple toy boat the kids can make themselves and race in a local creek. And the best part is that us kids are resourceful and creative, so they can completely DIY this toy boat on their own to enhance their skills. Turn your home table into beautiful and unique for home decoration you may have in mind. You can make a decoratable table for your home by needing few items, i.e. are wood pieces, epoxy, resins, adhesives, colors, and a grinder for polishing. Take the wood pieces in a proper dye and pour adhesives with epoxy resins and colors. When it dry up, so polish and keep it as a dining table.